Hello, welcome student. Today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter number 8. We have already finished chapter number 7. The name of our chapter is Graphic, Tablet and Columns in MS Word. By the name itself, graphics, that in graphics we are going to deal with some pictures and all, animation and all. And in tables and column, we are going to work with columns and rows and the tables we are going to create in MS Word. These are all under this MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. Let's open this PDF file, the one which I have uploaded. I am opening from that one, the one which I have uploaded in Google Classroom. Graphics, tablets, and columns in MS Word. Here we are going to deal with pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art, charts, etc., which are shown here. Let me demonstrate and teach you directly from the one which we have created this document last time for demonstration purpose. We have already learned how to add this random dummy text, what to type. If you have forgotten also, you can watch the previous classes from our Google Classroom or YouTube channel. Now let's see the first one, inserting picture in a document in MS Word. Here we didn't have any pictures out here. So let's learn how to add pictures. We're going to add here in this new page, that is page number 3. This is the last page. These are the date that we have created in last time, that is 12 August 2021. Here for adding pictures, we have to tap on Insert tab. Insert tab, after that Pictures, we have to go to Pictures. By clicking on Pictures, a dialog box will appear, and from here you need to select from where you are going to select the picture. From which drive, the location easily means the location. We have to select the location from which drive, which folder we are going to select. You can select from here, my computer, or directly from here, from which drive did you save your picture. For us, I'm going to select it from desktop, the one which I have saved for demonstration purpose. These two picture, that is JPEG file. One is 1.77 MB and another one is 73 KB. These two pictures for demonstration we are going to add in our picture in MS Word, the one which we have created a file. We have to select the picture like this and press on this insert button. Here we have added our picture, but the picture is very big, so we need to crop. Press shift key and you can drag the picture and you can align, center, align, position, go to the format picture. If you don't select the picture, then there won't be this picture tool, just like table. When you select the picture, this picture tool will appear. Format, in this format you can change the position of the picture from where you want to keep. Center in the middle one, like this. And text wrapping, after selecting the picture, wrap text where you want to keep the picture. If I am going to add a picture in the middle of this paragraph and all, let's see. Here, press your cursor, same process, go to picture, select your picture or the small one, insert picture. This is not the alignment of what I want, so press shift key and make it little smaller. Now This is not what I want. If I want to make the content out here, then wrap text, through line, tight, square. Look here the changes which is made in the background. Look here, square, tight, through, top to bottom. If we select top to bottom, it won't be appear on the top. It won't be appear in the side of the image. Behind the text, behind text, the picture will align behind the text. In front of the text, when you press in front of the text, the picture will float in front of your text document which you have already typed or created. Like this, you can wrap text wrapping with the help of pictures, and you can set through your picture. I'll set this tight. Now I can make like this picture, and you can make some description about the picture. You can write the description about a picture like this, and you can align it with your choice. And now if we want to resize or handle about the picture, proportion about the picture, smaller, larger, and position, here we are going to set the position of the picture like this. With your choice, you can select the top left position, top middle one, top right position, middle left one, center of all, and middle right side, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right, where you want to put in that page. If you didn't select, then it will be appear where you have added, and you can move, drag and drop. If you cannot move your picture, then you can change it from here. If you can't move your picture, you can change it to in front of the text, and you can move wherever you want your picture. And it's according to your needs. According to your needs, you can use this wrap text with the picture or graphic, the one which you have inserted. And the resizing and all you can do. If you don't want to make changes in the proportion above the picture, then if you want resize the picture, you can just directly press on the double click here, this corner button, and you can resize the picture. Look, when I move like this also, it doesn't change the position proportion of the picture. The corner one, if you move your mouse pointer from the corner one, then it won't change. Double arrow key with the double arrow key, double headed arrow from the corner, it won't change the proportion of the picture, and from the center one it will change the proportion of the picture. And if you want to delete the picture, just select the picture and press delete key from the keyboard like this. Now the next one is adding border to graphic. I'll undo that again, and I want to keep this. Now I want to keep this like this picture. Now adding border to graphic. If my picture has, if I want to add border and picture effect, I can do it from here, picture border, and you can select red color, whatever your choice. You can add colors from here, and you can go dash line, weight line. You must all be familiar with this one. And the border which they have already created by using, you can select from here the pre-design which Windows is already done for us. These are the pre-designed one. You can select from here if you like. If you don't want also, you can create your own one. The one which I have selected is a pre-designed one which has already created by our window. And inserting clip art in our document. Clip art, the one which I am using is Office 2013, and is in Office 2013 there is no exactly clip art. This is Office 2013, and where is the clip art? In Office 13 and this clip art, you must have been familiar this one in previous classes, in class 3, 4 and 5, the one which you have done in computer lab. These are with Windows Office 2007, Office 2010 and all, but from 13 and 16 Office 360 and all 365, this clipboard is been not there, and from the clipboard it's online picture. You can click on this online picture and it will search. If you search in online, you can directly add from here. There is no clipboard in Office 13 and 16, so you can directly press here. It's very familiar. Car spelling was wrong, but it's okay. Okay, for Office 13 and all, it's similar. You can go to insert clip art and illustration, and you can select from there, and all the clip art will be available there, and you can directly drag and drop into our document, and you can edit like the one which you have done in picture. You can add the border, you can change, you can put it in background, you can include it behind the text or something like that. Whatever you want, you can do your own choice. Now the next one is adding word art. Word art is like adding the heading. Let's see. Let's put a heading here. Let's say this is the heading. We have type a picture here. I want to put this one as word art. Insert. Now the word art has changed from 2000 Office 7 to Office 13 and 16 and all. So after typing this one, I can insert this word art, the pre-designed word art format. I can select this one. Look, the picture format or drawing tool position center. Now it's been center align. And from this word art option, you can select the pre-designed one which they have already created in MS Office. Adding word art we have done. Another one I want to add. Look here. This is without typing. Text here, add here. We are going to type here the N. Position center align bottom. Center bottom. Is this in the center? Now these are all in center. Look like this. You can align your word art or picture in the position option, which is available here in the format picture tool. The next one is inserting shapes and inserting screenshots and all. Inserting shapes, it's very easy. Just click on insert shapes and you can draw whatever you want. Arrow key, this is very much useful. This inserting picture and all, this is very much useful in your practical. And look, the line is not straight. If you want to make it straight, then press shift key. It will make it straight automatically and release your mouse button like this. This is very much useful when you prepare a block diagram, charts and all for your project work and all, and waterfall model and all for your science and everything. If you prepare a document for your project, then it's very much useful how to insert pictures and all, pictures and shapes and all in Microsoft Word. I'm going to do it again. Look here, go to insert, select shape and select your shape according to your needs and press it. Look here, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to start from here, clicking left click, just drop it down there. The line is, if the line is not straight like this, I cannot make the line straight. Without releasing your button, press the shift key. It will automatically align your line in a straight line, and release your mouse button, left click and release your shift key. Then it will make a straight line or straight arrow. Now other shapes, if I want to make it, other are very easy. You can make it like this. If you want the field empty, go to shape fill and no fill. If you want to change the outline of the shape like this, you can change it. Wait, I want to make it a little smaller. You can change it like this. So like this you can add your picture shapes in our document. Now the last one is screenshot. Now I'm going to capture our this class. I'm going to capture our class, take a screenshot. This I want to capture. Look here. After releasing it, look here, I'm going to demonstrate the other one. Look here, I cannot move it. Undo. I cannot move this freely. So wrap text in front of the text, do this one and you can move your picture freely. This is the screenshot. In Office 13, when you bring the image, if it is center, then this green line will appear. So here is the center of the we have aligned the picture in center position. So like this you can insert any screenshot of your this one computer in your MS Word. Next one is tables. We are going to do tables. We are going to learn how to insert table. Let's go to a new page. When the internet is slow, it's a problem while loading the pages of our textbook. Tables. Look here, you have already familiar. The horizontal one is called row, and the vertical one are called columns. When these two intersect, that is called cell. This is called cell. Column heading, cells. These are columns, these are row. The one which they intersect is called cell. It's similar with that of Excel also. Then let's check it here. We are going to use this row, border, column and cell here in doing this one table. Column, border and all. If you want to remove the border of just like the picture, if you want to remove the picture border, then you can remove that one. Here also in table, if you want to remove the border of the table, you can remove and you can put the design over here. So inserting table, there are few options available here. First one is go to insert tab and table. From here you can just select this. You can select this grid over here. Look here. When I move my mouse button, look here, the grid which are already there in my document. So if we select the grid from here, maximum we have 8 rows. Maximum we can select 8 rows, and in column we can select 10 columns. So in total 10 into 8, 10 columns and 8 row we can maximum select by using this grid. When we select insert table by using this insert table option, with the one which I have selected, that is from the grid 10 columns and 8 row, you can number it exact number, put it here. A column, I mean if I want 11 columns and more than 8 is 9. If I want like this, then I can exactly enter my column, number of columns in row, and press enter key or OK button. Then my table will be inserted. If I don't want this table, I'll delete it again. Now let me insert a small one. So this is the table, and if you want to draw, if you want to move, then press this, and going to insert. There are a few insert, these are already done in class 6 and 7 and all. Insert table by grid, insert table dialog box, and you can draw the table. You can draw the table and convert table text into table, and you can and insert a spread a sheet for Excel also here in MS Word, so that you can do the calculation part. Here you already know that in MS Word we cannot do the calculation, and in quick table you can create a quick table, the format which are available here in MS Word. Next is moving and selecting data in a table. Double. So before doing this, let me select, let me insert some document here. If it is way too long, then let me delete some part. Okay, that is way too long. It's enough. Now if you want to select a word, then double click on that word directly. I'm going to repeat again like this. If you want to select a word, just direct double click over that word and it'll get your word will be selected. Next one is, if you select a sentence, then triple click on that one. Sentence or that paragraph, the one which is inside that cell, then triple click on that one, then your paragraph or sentence will be selected by triple clicking. Next one is, if you want to select a row, I'm going to insert another table, small table, quick table. Okay, if I want to select a column, then let me delete this one. Delete. If I want to select a column, then when this down facing arrow, black arrow appears, and I will select that entire column. And if I want to select the entire row, then the arrow, white arrow which appear at the left side of the cell, when I click on this one, the entire row will be selected. And if I want to select the entire cell, this black arrow which appear at the left bottom, when I click on this one, the entire cell will be selected. Look here, I'll demonstrate it here. Look here, this black arrow at the left bottom corner, it appears. When I click on this one, the entire cell will be selected. This is under entire cell, this will be selected. So here, that's like this, you can select table data, and you all know how to insert data by entering data from the keyboard. Now entering data, we already know table structure, changing the table height and row. Just with your mouse like this, with drag and drop, you can change the column size, row size, or if you want to change only the cell, look here, go to table tool layout. Until and unless if you don't select table, then the table tool won't appear. So after selecting the table, this table tool will appear. Go to layout and you can change the height or weight of the, okay, you can change the height and weight of the cell. Like this, you can modify the structure, or just by moving. When it appears this double-sided arrow, you can change like this. You can change according to your needs. I think this one will be easier, the one which you change by clicking the line. This one will be easier. And the next one is inserting new rows in column. It's very easy. If you want to insert a new row, just place the cursor over there. If you want to insert below, you have to click this one. If you want to insert above, you have to click like this. If you want to insert column left side, you have to press like this. If you want to insert Friday on the right side, you have to click like this. And if you want to delete it, it's very easy. Select that cell and just right click, delete entire row. Select the cell, go to the delete option, entire column, delete column. So like this, you can change and edit column size and you can add and remove the column and rows also, and you can change the cell width and height of the table. Now I'm going to do the adjustment by using this ruler. Look here, after selecting the table, you can change the height and width of the cell by using this ruler, like this, from here. Adding border and setting to the table. Now let's see. This is the pre-table, the one which you have taken out from uh, pre-designed one. Go to design and you can select the pre-designed format which are available, which are already done for me from by our Microsoft Office. You can select from here very easily, and if you don't want also, you can change from here. You can add the setting of the table here with your choice. If you don't want from here also, you can go to more color and you can change. You can select any color, or by manually you can choose your color, darkness and light color. Randomly I have selected. This is another one. So in MS Word we cannot do calculation here. What is that? In MS Word, the table which we have created till now, we cannot do calculation here with this table. So for doing calculation, we can insert a table which is in Excel. This Excel spreadsheet we can insert here. Let me insert it. Take some time. Okay. Now this is the Excel spreadsheet. Excel. This is the Excel spreadsheet that we have already created. Look here. We can do calculation over here, like just like Excel. Border with the thick border, the same thing, just like all border. Some look here. When I made the changes over here, look, our result will be changed automatically. Look like this in Word also. We can do calculation over here. All these formulas and all we can apply here. I want to make this as a tick border, the answer that we are going to keep. So when I change this number, automatically all the result will be changed. So like this in MS Word we can do the calculation over here. Next one is merging cells in table and splitting table and cells in table. So look here, when we want to put a heading over the table, let's add here above. Look here, I want to put a heading over here. Look here, After selecting the table, this merge cell will not be appear, where you have to select more than one cell, or three cell, maybe more than one. You have to select your cell more than one, and after that this merge cell will appear, and you have to click like this, and you have to merge it into one cell, and you can type the heading of the name, table demo, and you can change the format for your choice, center align and all. You can do the other thing that we have already learned, alignment, changing the font face, changing the size, color and all. You can do that one, and you can put the order also here. Table demo, like this. Done for merge table cell and split cell and table. Today we are going to learn this split cell and table right now. When you merge a cell, let's merge this cell, the below one, which is available here. After merging the cell, if you want to split it again into column, select the cell, split, and number of columns you have to select. If you want to set it into one column, and if you want to set it into a number of rows, multiple rows, then you have to select this one and click on OK after you are done. And if this is not the required one, then undo or change it again. Merge or undo will be easier. Split, two rows, one column, like this you can do. And splitting, this is for splitting cell, same thing you can do in column also. And splitting table, if you want to split the table, click here, and that below the table is split it over here, and this is the one. This is the small table that we have split it from the bigger one. Let me put below here. Remember, this is the table that we have split it from the above, the one we have merged and split it into two rows. For splitting table, we have to click on like this. Next topic is splitting table we have done, splitting cell we have done. Auto format table style. Auto format table style is very easy. Select the table, and you can select the pre-design, which we have already done. You can select the pre-design format from here. Next is sorting of table data. Look here, the one which we have created, the table, small calendar. Select the table, and we are going to sort the data which is inside the table. Numbers we are going to set in descending order. Look here, that in descending order it's been created. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 in descending order. It may be in ascending order also, which like the one which you have done in filter format in Excel. And Excel spreadsheet also is available here in Word also, and we can do the calculation, simple calculation here also. Like this, we can do some basic sorting out here in uh, MS Word. Now, next one is converting table from table to text and text to table. Now, let's convert this table into text. After selecting the table, look here, convert to text. by tab or comma or other by tab. Let's create by tab. Okay, the table has been converted into simple text by tab. These are the tab. Look here, tab we have created like this, and I'm going to create another one, tab to table. Look here, I'm going to delete enter some data here, just random. I'm tapping it and typing the data. Enter. Enter. I'm typing some data by using tab. Look here, how to convert this data into table. You have to enter your data by using a tab. Select your data like this and go to insert option. Look here, the one which you have not done, this one we have seen this one, convert text to table. After pressing this one, yes, 6 by tab, comma, yes, by tab we have created. Now, if you don't want this also, you can delete it later on. Now also you can delete it. Alignment you can done, center align. The data which we have created by using tab is being converted into table without creating table before. So like this also you can done, and the one which you have done previously, the table we can convert it into text also. Now the next topic is working with multiple column here in MS Word. I'm going to take a new document. It's not responding. This is our new document. I'll close this one. This is a new document. Just like working with multiple column means, go to page layout. I've already told you before working in a document, set up your page first. Yes, portrait, margin, normal, or it may be narrow. Now narrow I have done, and columns. In newspaper, this is very easy that in newspaper you can see multiple columns in your newspaper. So like that here in Word also we can do multiple columns. Look here, I'm going to select the first one, that is 2. Look at the ruler. Our page is divided equally in 2 columns. Now I'm going to add the dummy text. This is another row or column. Okay, this is the 2 row. Now if you want to see the other one, 3 column. This one is 3 column, just like newspaper. Look at the ruler here, it's been divided into 3 equal column. After the first column is full, and okay, after the first column is full, then it will go to the second column, and if the second column is full, then it will go to the third column. Like this we have multiple column. So working in column or working, there are different types of column. Go to page layout, and in column option you can find left side column. You can write here the topic, and you can keep here, let me delete some part, topic. By using tab, I'm moving my content to the next column like this. This is topic, and if this is another paragraph, Here also you can type like this. You can change like this. Let me set in an equal line. Look here. Like this we can set or work with the multiple column with your document. Here they have given in an example in our textbook also. Let's see. Yeah. Textbook in second part. Look here, this is multiple column. Biography of Swami Vivekananda and they are using 3 column option here in MS Word. Here ends our chapter number 8. Thanks for watching.